Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the lightning, which it's at the back. It looks like planets, 3 planets which are at the back somewhere there. So I bought this kind of light at the back there. Yeah, I bought that kind of light at Little More. So it's really kind of great thing about that kind of lightning. But before I share with you guys that lightning closely, so as you can see it, we are having a Porodo product. This is a Porodo product. I hope some of you guys can see that. Something which is so great about this kind of plug, it's a smart life and you can control it by Google Assistant. So something which is so great about this kind of smart plug is just that it uses the voice. And some of you guys, as normal, you know, I'm having a Google Home speaker. So we're gonna map up with this kind of bad boy and see how it works. If we shut it down, like we talk with the voice, how does it work? So let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. So guys, this is a smart Wi-Fi plug from Porodo. Let us just unbox it and see what's packed inside. Okay guys, as you can see, we are having the manual. This is the manual, so it shows you how you can use the smart Wi-Fi plug. You can see some details here and there. I'll keep it aside first. We are seeing the smart Wi-Fi plug. So this kind of Wi-Fi plug, first of all, it has a USB. So this kind of USB, they're not 3.0, they're just normal USB 2.0. Specifications are as follows for this kind of bad boy. First of all, it has a voice control, so you can control with your voice. And another kind of stuff, it has a 16A of ampere. I guess that's ampere. Another kind of stuff, something which is so great about it, it has a set schedule. You can set some schedule throughout turning it on and turning it off. Another kind of stuff, it's have a 30 meters of Wi-Fi range indoors and a 50-meter Wi-Fi range outdoors on controlling it, something which is so perfect. Another kind of stuff, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant and IFTT. I don't know what's that, but I guess that's like terms and condition apply. I'm just kidding guys. Another kind of stuff, it's an input voltage of 100 volts to 240 volts, something which is so perfect. An AC output of 16A, as I said. So the USB side, it has a USB of 5 volts with 2.1 ampere max. That's the maximum of this kind of bad boy. So don't expect like 3.0 USB. As I said, if you see a wide USB inside, just know it's a 2.1 or a USB 2, or a black one inside, it's USB 2. It's not a USB 3. A USB 3 has a green or blue, something like that, those kind of colors. It has a USB 3. At the back, there's a QR code you can see here. Now this kind of QR code, you can scan with your camera to download this kind of app. It's called the Smart Life, but you can check it out on the Google Play Store. It's there, I guess. Just do a quick search and you'll see a Smart Life. If you don't like to scan that kind of barcode, it's really kind of easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it will just download, and when it's done, you can see it's done there, so as you can connect with this kind of plug. Let's talk about that kind of globe glowing with a reddish or pinkish, you can name it. So I got it at Little More. First thing first, the bulb inside was white. It was not that kind of color you see there. What I did, I painted the bulb with the marker pen to give me the red color, so as it can enhance, because the white color can reflect too much on the display. And if I want to watch something and have that kind of grooving of that kind of globe there with that light, I want something mint, something great. So I just wanted to keep it that way. And another kind of stuff, you can play around and even paint different colors to give you more outstanding throughout this kind of bulb, something which is so perfect. So guys, as you can see here, the smart plug is on. When you're scanning it, you have to hold this kind of power on button for 5 seconds. First of all, just press it on if you got it, and hold it for 5 seconds until you see this kind of blue light. And after that, just click next, and you can insert the Wi-Fi password now. So guys, it will just start connecting. As you can see, nice and slow. Just give it some times, because it has just to connect the Wi-Fi to the plug, something which is so great. Just give it a little bit of time. So guys, right now, as you can see, I'm plugging it in, but there's no power actually. There's nothing charging. As you can see here, nothing is charging. But if I click this, just check out the magic. Woo, it started charging. perfect. Even if I slip it, you'll see the screen there saying it's charging somewhere there. It's charging. That means the flow of electricity right now, it's flowing, but if I turn it off, it won't charge. Just like that. It's really kind of great. Now I would like to use my voice on this kind of smart bulb and see if it works. Hey Google, turn off USB smart plug. Boom, just like that, it worked. So you can see, guys, how much the smart plug works. It's really kind of great thing to use this kind of smart plug because it has many kind of features by using only your voice. And not only that kind of Google Assistant, you can even use your Google Assistant directly from your phone, something which is so perfect. So I give it thumbs up from Porodo from this kind of project. It's really kind of great, but even the Google Assistant is now off because she said terminate, and she terminated everything. Even herself, she terminated to go off. That's what's up. But anyways, this is the review of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Porodo smart plug, and if you want to get it, you can get it if you're living in Arusha directly throughout Gadgetronix. As some of you guys know, Gadgetronix has been sponsoring on our videos so many times, and something which is so perfect. So you can check them out throughout. The links are down below in the description. Something which is so great, and you can get that kind of smart plug and you use it from your kind of users. Even if you're far away from your house and you're having access of internet, you can turn off that kind of smart plug on the go. Something which is so awesome. That's what's up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.